Hey guys, welcome back to my channel FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make Korean egg roll. This is very popular breakfast recipe. In this video we are going to show you how easily you can make this at home. So stay with us till the end. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. For making of Korean egg roll, we need to cut some vegetables. For that, here I am taking bell pepper and finely chop them. Here I am using 3 colored bell pepper, orange, green and red, and chopped all this in very small pieces. You can also use carrot or other vegetables, but today's recipe I only use bell peppers and onion. Now I am going to chop onion, all vegetables are chopped now. Give it a quick look. Chopped red bell pepper, chopped onion, chopped orange bell pepper and chopped green bell pepper. Now I am taking 5 eggs in a bowl, one by one. Whisk it little. Then add all chopped vegetables, one by one. Now mix all this together well. I am also adding pinch of salt and also little black pepper. I am taking non-stick pan here and grease little oil. Now pour the egg mixture in it. And spread well. And cook it in a low flame. We are going to make this entire Korean egg roll in a low flame. Keep that in mind. When halfway done, we are going to roll the egg very carefully and gently. Then push it back and again grease the pan little so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now again add the egg mixture and cook it until halfway done. Then again fold it carefully and gently. And repeat the same process again and again until your egg mixture is finished. You can see this how beautifully it's done. Now we are going to transfer it in another plate and cool it down. Now we are going to slice them in a small pieces. Now your Korean egg roll is done. You can have it with ketchup or any other dips, whatever you like. Please try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.